Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. I am also fine. So, welcome back to my channel. So, today I think you can understand what will be the subject for today's class. So, today, yes, I will teach you the numbers 1 to 20. Okay, so in the last class, I taught you regarding the alphabets. I think you can remember the how to pronounce the French alphabet. Okay, so today we will learn the numbers from 1 to 20. So what we call the numbers in French? Les nombres or les numéros. Les numéros or les nombres. We can also call les nombres. So, the numbers is called les numéros or les nombres. So, I will teach you from 1 to 20 the numbers, how we'll spell and how we will pronounce the numbers. Okay? So, starting from the 1. This is un. 1 is un. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is from 1 to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How to spell that? U-N, U-N, Do, D-E-U-X, Do, D-E-U-X, Do. 3, T-R-O-I-S, 3, T-R-O-I-S, 3. 4, Q-U-A-T-R-E, 4, Q-U-A-T-R-E, 4, 5, C-I-N-Q, 5, C-I-N-Q, 5. 6, S-E-X, 6, S-E-X, 6. 7, S-E-P-T, 7, S-E-P-T, 7. 8, H-U-I-T, 8, H-U-I-T, 8. 9, N-E-U-F, 9, N-E-U-F, 9. 10, D-E-X, D-E-X, 10. So how we will pronounce from 1 to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think it's clear. Now we will move to from 11 to 20. So 11 is 11. 11 is 11. 12 is 12. 13 is 13. 14 is 14. 15 is 15. 16 16. 17 17. 10 plus 7. These plus hyphen set. 10 plus 7. These set. 18. These with. 10 plus 8. These plus with. 18. These with. 19. These enough. 10 plus 9. These enough. And always from 17 to 19, always that hyphen will be placed in the middle of the these and set. These and with. These and enough. Okay, otherwise it will be incorrect. Okay, and the last one is 20, that is when. 20 is when. So I am saying once again for you, it's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I am telling you the spelling from 11 to 20 in French. Okay, so 11, O-N-Z-E, 11, 12, D-O-U-Z-E, 12, 13, T-R-E-I-Z-E, 13, 14, Q-U-A-T-O-R-Z-E, 14, 15, Q-U-E-N-Z-E, 15, 16, S-E-E-Z-E, 17, this set. D-E-X, this set. S-E-P-T, set. This with. D-E-X, H-U-E-T, this with. 18, this with. D-E-X, H-U-E-T, this with. This enough. D-E-X, N-O-U-F, enough. This enough. V-E-N-G-T, V-E-N-G-T, van. So I am just telling you once again from the beginning till the end, like from 1 to 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I think you can all understand the pronunciation and the spelling from 1 to 20. So it's all about today's class, the number which I have taught you, that 1 to 20. Okay, and we will I will see you soon in the next class with the different subject of the French. Okay, and it will be very easy for you guys. So we will learn French in a very easiest way, as I told you in the first class. Okay, so that's all from today, and till then, take care. Bye bye. and happy weekend.